Hi, I'm so glad you're here today. My name is Karen, and I've been working with students in education for the last 20 years. And if there's one thing that I know is that teachers and parents alike want our kids reading, but sometimes it's a little confusing and we don't know exactly where to begin. So that's why I've created Miss K's Mission to Read series on YouTube. This series is simply a roadmap for you where each mission will build on the skills before it. So we'll start with letter identification, letter sounds, phonics, sounding out words, decoding words, learning sight words, and other important skills that students need or that kids need to be confident readers. So you don't have to do everything perfectly. The important thing is taking it one step at a time and making sure that kids have opportunities to be able to practice over and over to build their confidence. My hope is that these lessons make teaching reading a little more simpler and a little less overwhelming for both you and the kiddos. So let's get started with mission 1, which is letter names and letter sounds. That is the true foundation. So I hope to see your kiddo back here with Miss K, and then I want to see you back here with Karen. So together, let's partner and make reading a fun adventure for our kids. Every kid deserves to have fun exploring and reading. I hope to see you soon.